So an early start in Katsuura may or may not provide wild monkeys, but it will definitely get you a front row seat to a fascinating Japanese experience. Katsuura Fish Market is located in the town of Katsuura, and it claims to haul in the highest volume of tuna anywhere in Japan. Now, if you know your types of tuna, there was albacore, skipjack, yellow, bluefin, and that was just the tuna. There was also plenty of other fish, and we saw all sorts of different shapes and sizes. These huge boats would just come flying in, unload their catch, turn around, go back out, the next boat would come in straight away. It was amazingly choreographed. The auctioneers sit in these funny little booths, and when they finish selling the fish and that lot, they can just pick up the booth, move it around to the next lot and start all over again. So there's loads of stickers and labels being placed on the fish, which presumably tell the bidders some sort of detail about the quality of it, which, by the way, you determine by stabbing the fish somewhere near the tail and then occasionally sniffing your fingers afterwards. We figured out that the guys with the green hats seemed to be the buyers and the guys with the blue uniforms worked at the fish market, but we weren't really sure. Of course, we weren't the only ones sniffing around the size of some of these catches, and what started off as a few individual specimens turned into a flock of hawks, circling around outside, swooping in occasionally to try and grab a bit of fish. Of course, if you do want to go check it out, make sure you get there early because the whole thing was pretty much packed up away and done by about 7:30. Immediately next door to the fish market is a series of restaurants that pride themselves on flaunting the very freshest fish purchased from the market that morning, and then you can try it out in various different ways. We opted for a bit of a sushi breakfast, and I've got to say, it was some really tasty tuna. Thoroughly good breakfast.
Not bad.
Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one.